Hi guys, I'm excited to show you this first little test patch. Here we have the MIDI to CV interface giving us pitch and gate signals. The pitch signal goes through the conversion to 1/8 of an inch and then goes into our buffered mult and is applied to the volt per octave input of Plaits and rings. Gate signal, on the other hand, goes through a normal mult and is applied to 2 ADSR envelope generators in our 5U system. The first one is configured as a trigger. That means the sustain level is 0, the release level is 0, and we just have a fast attack and a fast decay to turn our gate into a trigger. The second one, we have the sustain up to all, so that just basically acts as a gate. We really don't need that one at all. We could probably just use the gate because we have the attack at minimum, the decay at minimum, release at minimum, and the sustain at all. The gate is applied to our VCA and the output goes to our sound system. Meanwhile, the trigger is applied to the strum input of the rings module. By doing that, we ensure that we get a trigger each time a key is pressed. Finally, we take the outputs of plates and rings and we put them into our mixer and send the output of that to our VCA.